Dancehall Cruise ahoy! Hi, I'm Debbie. The world boss in the pink, some might say, with a recent social media post of himself gyrating in underwear, knows how to get people talking. Here, meanwhile, promoters launching Vibes Island Experience.
Kartel in the cruise business? Not sure if he'll actually be hitting the seas, but goes something like this.
We're taking a Royal Caribbean ship, the Wonder of the Seas, and we're taking it to a private island in the Bahamas where we're going to have non-stop parties, 40+ entertainers, non-stop vibes. Every single hour on the ship there is something to do.
Tricky time perhaps to be talking up nautical pleasure getaways. What with reports earlier this month of the rat-carried hantavirus killing at least 3 passengers on a Dutch-flagged cruise ship in the Atlantic. But lots of time to set a new course. Vibes Island Experience, April 9 to 12, 2027.
And why? Because we wanted to introduce an entirely new avenue to dancehall. We wanted to mix dancehall and luxury together. 2 words you've never heard in the same sentence. Bring them together and give you an entire experience with it.
And after all, the top billed act is a certified crowd puller.
Kartel is the headliner of this event. The headliner. He's the main attraction, the main event. Everybody is coming to see him, so he is the one that will be there for that festival.
It's not a hosting. It's not Vibes going to pull up in the club and chat on the mic for 10 minutes. This is going to be Vibes Kartel in a stadium in Nassau, Bahamas, singing to 20,000 people. 7,000 on the ship, 13,000 people from the Bahamas and flying in from everywhere else. It's going to be the most amazing experience ever in a dance hall.
Scott Dunn of the Dream Weekend team and Jamie McGregor of Spectra Entertainment clearly excited at the prospect, and Kartel always profiling on social media. No prompting necessary.
I mean, listen, any publicity is good publicity, and we love Kartel, so why not? We all love to dance in our underwear, so hey.
As for this summer, Dream moving from the grill to Mobay and going full throttle with a star-studded dancehall lineup.
It's a Dream Weekend that comes summer. Alkaline, Dexter Daps, Family, them artists there. The Stop Thing 10,000. Reggae Sumfest is not in Mobay this year. It's the only game in town. We're going to do something really special in Mobay. We're going to blow people's mind.
And then come next year, the promised Vibes Island Experience.
It named Vibes Island Dancehall Cruise. King of Dancehall will be there. All right.
Be ready. Be ready for non-stop fun, non-stop parties.
72 hours straight.
72 hours straight.
Listen, nobody think about it. Cause you blink,
Save your spots.
book out.